Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and make my bean soup. So I've already made my beans. I could store these, freeze these, refrigerate them, whatever, so that they're ready to go for me to make my bean soup. Or you could just use canned beans. That's okay too. All right, so what I'm going to do is start off by sauteing I've had this on a minute, so it's a little warm. I'm going to saute my vegetables. So I'm using vegan margarine and olive oil together. That's going to give that nice fattiness inside of your white bean soup. I'm going to use some celery. Of course, the recipe is inside of your recipe guide. I'm going to use some onion. I'm going to use some tri-colored peppers. Saute that around. I'm going to put in some basil and some garlic, which I'm also going to put in some bacon seasoning and a little chicken seasoning. Forgot my garlic. Give me 1 second. I'm going to grab that. And here we are. Going to put in some garlic. And then you can have fun with this soup. It can be whatever you want it to be. Any flavors that you want. These are my flavors. I'm going to also add in a can of tomatoes, because I like a tomatoey navy bean soup. I'm going to let that go ahead and saute for a minute. Then I'm going to start adding in some beans. I'm going to use the equivalent of 2 cans of beans. And this is just enough for the family. If you want, you could put some fresh herbs in here. You could put some fresh thyme in here. You could put in some fresh basil, which I think I might try that. I have a little basil that was just hanging out in my fridge. I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. That'll be yummy. Okay, closing the lid. Turn it off of saute and now put it on pressure cook. So cancel the saute, put it on pressure cook now, and 20 minutes is where we'll start. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like after 20 minutes, and you decide whether you like your bean soup more juicy and more broken down, or do you like to see the beans? So it's all up to you. But I'm going to show you what it looks like after 20 minutes. Okay? Okay, so our pin has dropped. Our soup should be ready. And let's check it out. Ooh, it looks yummy. It looks really good. All right, so those tomatoes are in there. Woo! That is beautiful. Look at that. That is a beautiful white bean soup. Look at that. Oh, Lord, that looks gorgeous. I'm ready to eat. That is so pretty. And I am ready to eat it. So I'm just going to sit this here. And there you go. Your navy bean soup. Super easy. And it was about 20-25 minutes.